Living room with indoor plants and botanical decor. Transform your living room with indoor plants and botanical decor. In this video, explore how to bring nature indoors by incorporating lush greenery and botanical-inspired decor into your living space. Whether you're a plant enthusiast or new to indoor gardening, we'll guide you through stylish ways to add vibrancy, warmth, and a refreshing natural feel to your living room. What to expect in this video. 1. Choosing the right plants. We'll show you the best indoor plants for every space and light condition. From low-light options like snake plants and ZZ plants to high-light beauties like fiddle leaf figs and monsteras. 2. Creative plant display ideas. Discover stylish ways to arrange your plants, including hanging planters, multi-tiered plant stands, and shelf arrangements that add height and dimension to your decor. 3. Incorporating botanical accents. Get inspired by botanical-themed artwork, cushions, and wallpapers that complement your greenery, creating a cohesive look with a fresh, organic feel. 4. Tips for a balanced aesthetic. See how to mix plant sizes, colors, and leaf textures for a balanced and aesthetically pleasing arrangement that enhances your living room's design without overwhelming it. 5. Adding natural elements to the space. Learn how to integrate natural materials like wood, rattan, and terracotta, which harmonize beautifully with plants and bring a touch of the outdoors inside. 6. Care and maintenance tips. We'll cover simple care tips to keep your plants thriving, including watering guidelines, sunlight requirements, and soil tips to ensure your indoor garden flourishes. 7. Creating a relaxing atmosphere. Understand how plants can transform your living room into a tranquil retreat. We'll give you ideas for creating cozy corners with seating and natural decor that promote relaxation and mindfulness. 8. Statement plants for a focal point. Find out how to use larger statement plants like palms or monstera as focal points to add interest and elevate your room's style. 9. Styling small spaces with plants. We'll share tips on maximizing smaller spaces with vertical planting ideas, wall-mounted planters, and compact plant arrangements that add greenery without taking up too much room. 10. Benefits of indoor plants. Lastly, explore the many benefits of having indoor plants, including improved air quality, reduced stress, and boosted creativity. Why add indoor plants to your living room? Brings life to the room. Indoor plants instantly add vibrancy, texture, and a sense of life to your space. Enhances mood and wellness. Research shows that indoor plants can reduce stress, lift your mood, and promote relaxation. Complements all styles. Whether your decor is modern, bohemian, or minimalist, plants can seamlessly fit and enhance any design. Air purifying properties. Certain plants help filter indoor air, making your living space healthier and more refreshing. Ready to refresh your living room with a botanical touch? This video will give you all the design ideas and practical tips you need to create a serene, plant-filled oasis. Don't forget to subscribe for more decor inspiration and tips for plant lovers.